done this sort of tricky thing where they've tucked energy conservation into the light pollution credit. We spent a lot of time on the LEED user site trying to go through what the requirements are, explain what this credit's all about. They've changed the interior lighting requirements so that there's two options. One is you could set up some fancy lighting controls so that you actually are reducing the lighting power input to any fixture you see from outside your building by 50%. You just reduce the lighting power going to it by 50% between the hours of 11 and 5. The other thing you could do, I think, is the sort of best practice, and sort of doing a combination of both certainly wouldn't hurt, but it's just to sort of to eliminate anywhere from outside the building, you can inside the building and directly see a fixture. So you want to eliminate that fixture. One good way to do it, since we're standing next to the shades booth, would be to have a mechanical shading device that would just between 11 and 11 p.m. come down to sort of block any window you might otherwise be able to see an interior fixture element. On the exterior lighting side, the one that usually trips people up on these projects that causes tons of headaches, nobody knows how to document, is the light trespass from the site. You need to show both horizontal foot candles at the site boundary and vertical foot candles at the site boundary, which means you need a photometric site plan, you need to know how they work. And so asking again the lighting designer to produce a metric plan that shows both the horizontal and vertical foot candles for your lighting zone. Once you get to the site boundary, both horizontally and vertically, the amount coming through is near zero. And the only way to do that is through a computer model, a photometric site plan. If your lighting designer is not planning to do that, then you need to make sure that that is part of the program so that they can do the documentation, otherwise they can't do it. But it does take into consideration things like how bright are your fixtures, how much power is going to them, how high are they, what's their full cutoff, how do they throw light. You want to bring that down so that by the time you have that vertical wall at the site, or imaginary wall or horizontal wall on the floor, it's down to about zero.